Hello, welcome to AB's Garage. Today we're going to be doing a short little video on how to do a service light reset on a 2019 BMW X3. We are inside the vehicle now. We've got the key inside the vehicle interior. So the first step in the process is to push the start-stop button 3 times in succession. When you see all the lights on the dash come on, the check engine light and every other warning light come on, and then they all go off and the check engine light remains, you know you've done it correctly. You're just going to want to push the stock button a few times to clear out the messages. When you get to this screen where the odometer and the trip meter are shown, you're going to push this button on the left side of the cluster. You're going to push and hold it. See the trip zero out and then return. That's how you know you've done it correctly. And then the service menu will pop up. So this video will also allow you to do the other service lights in the vehicle. So today the vehicle's getting an oil service, but it'll allow you to push the button on the left side like I just did, and it'll service through the brake fluid, vehicle check, and when the brakes are due as well. So next, we're going to go ahead and reset the oil light. So when you're going to select the oil, push and hold the button. When the reset question mark comes up, you're going to let go, and then push and hold again. And then you'll see it resetting and you can let go. Now in order to do this, the hood also has to be closed and the vehicle has to be in the off position. You cannot do this with the engine running. So the oil light has been reset. So now we're good to go. Thanks for watching and I hope this helps.